All right, let's see here. All right, I'm at apartment number 4 in what we are lovingly calling BOHO on Main. It is 1306 Main Street. It's a private entrance here on the back. Easy parking on the street up here. I'm just down from let's see here. That's Pedal City. That's the old pop shop that's turned into like a wedding coordinated kind of a thing. We're like a block from Spoke and Ivy and maybe 2 from the Redwood. And it's got a private entrance, number 4. I believe it's, oh goodness, it's all utilities paid. I got all my fingers in there. I'm batting 1,000 right now. All right, I believe it's all utilities paid by us. It's you have a $25, or you have a small water sewer fee. It's getting ready to be, what is it, Halloween 2025. So, beautiful floors, big, huge living room with the bay window. Takes me a minute to get across this thing. Good ceiling. I mean, like that's my foot. I mean, this is a big room, you know what I mean? Beautiful, big, big room. No carpet, a kitchen island, beautiful gas stove, built-in microwave, some extra cabinets, a good refrigerator. Check out this sink, it's cool. Yeah, you like that sink. I knew it. Nice built-in, and then see what this does. It'll pop up, and you can put some stools, a couple of stools just right there. Bedroom, and bedroom has the closet over here. Oh, that's actually a pretty decent closet. Yeah, that's pretty good. I would not say that you're getting a California king-size princess canopy bed in here. Probably gonna be a queen is about max. Just heads up. Okay, bathroom. Who doesn't want washer and stack dryer right in your bathroom? Of course, now I get the hiccups. All right, sink. Everything a bathroom needs. Good bathroom. This is all a tile wall. Actually, I lied. It's actually a wooden wall, accent wall, and it's painted. So protected. I didn't mean to do that. All right, bathroom. The new tenant moves in like 5 minutes, like she's standing outside like waiting on me. So this isn't gonna be the best video you ever saw, but I want you to get kind of a feel of what it is. There's a neat little built thing there. That was actually and back into the living room. So this is, I believe, 1306 West Main Street. And it is all utilities paid, has washer dryer in the bathroom. I mean, this thing has everything you could want. Hey, thanks for watching with us.